Hi there, Gary here, and I just wanted to show you the power of being able to make high-ticket affiliate commissions, which is something we do over and over again. And it really is very simple if you follow our step-by-step training. Now, I've just logged into one of my affiliate accounts that was set up for this particular promo that we did recently. And as you can see, we made multiple commissions of $498.50. Also, I've just blurred out the names of the customers here just for privacy purposes. Now, the beauty here is that this literally took about 2 hours of work, and as you can see, we made a total of $18,656 in commissions. Now, this is pure profit. The revenue was actually over $37,000, but our actual commissions was 50% of that, which is how we got to the $18,000. Now just scroll up here, and if you notice the dates here, now most of these commissions came through all at the same time, all on the same day, as you can see here, the 7th. So just let that sink in. We made over $18,000 in pure profit with only 2 hours work. Now this is really simple to achieve, and inside the members area, we will take you by the hand and guide you so that you'll learn how to do this for yourself. And we are also available to answer any questions you have through our fast support desk. So with that said, have a great day, and I'll see you inside the members area.